Today I have a 1999 F250 Super Duty, and the problem that we're having with this vehicle today is the air conditioner will only blow out of the vent in the high mode. I've got the truck cranked and running, and I have the air conditioning switched on to cold, but there's no speeds working on the fan control except on high. So I'm going to show you what is causing this problem and how easily it can be fixed. If you have a vehicle that will only operate on the high speed mode on your air conditioner, the problem is going to be in the resistor. There's a blower resistor on this F250, this 99 model, that's mounted right here in this evaporator housing on the air conditioner under the hood. So on the passenger side, see it right down here. Here's the connector. Looks like this one has been disconnected before because the connector is, part of it's broken off. But what we have to do here is remove this wire, and then there's two screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. We take those two screws out and we can remove the blower resistor. You reach down here, grab these wires, and pull this plug out away from the resistor. And you can see this plug is an old plug. The wires, the actual housing of the plug is all broken up. The wires are all slipped around where they can pull out. So what we're going to have to do at the same time that we replace this resistor, we're going to have to replace this wiring harness going to this plug. And you can purchase either the resistor by itself, or you can purchase the whole wiring harness either locally or online. The wiring harness kit that I purchased it locally. It was from AutoZone. The part number for this vehicle is JA1501KG. And it comes with a new blower resistor to control your fan speeds. And also we have a new wiring harness. We're going to cut the old wiring harness off and we're going to attach this new one so that we can get all this repaired properly. One quick thing that I did want to mention, the bolts that are holding the old wiring resistor are these two bolts right here, and these bolts have a 5/16 head on them. So you can take like a ratcheting wrench like the one I have here, or a regular box wrench, or a ratchet and a socket to remove these bolts, and they're fairly easy to get out. Another quick mention before you start cutting wires is you want to look at the wires and the color coding on the back of the old connector. They should match up to the color coding on the new connector. Sometimes aftermarket parts don't match up directly. So what you would want to do is you want to look at all these wires and see the position that they are on the connector. And my advice would be, if they're not the same color, would be to take a picture with your phone so you can see where they reference at. That way you'll know exactly where to connect the new wires up with the old wires. Here we have the new resistor mounted in and the new plug for the wiring harness. The wires are connected. I put a zip tie right in here so they won't be rubbing up against anything while the vehicle's in motion. Now I'm going to check and see if we have all the fan speeds we're looking for. You can't hear it because the vehicle's in motion, but now I have all of my fan speeds. I have low, then the next one up, the next one up, good airflow, and then also have high. So this now completes this job. Thanks for watching.